Good day, traders. Today we covered the zone, and we showed the zone in 1 minute. And I explained in that when you have an indicator can work on 1 minute, that means can work on any time frame. And the only time you can see an indicator, the true performance on any indicator, is when you are using 1 minute. A rank bar give fake results, and 10, 20, or 60 minutes, any two lines that look that system profitable. So we covered today on the zone indicators, and we showed the zone indicators based on 1 minute how accurate it is, and we mentioned about also the auto trade. One of the traders called me last week and said, Sam, I can see the volume is back, but it don't seems like the market kick in. And today, I said, wait a couple days. And today, also delivered my son. He's excited and started in school and coming back and see that all the charts hit targets, and that an indication that the volume is back this week, and now the market is back to normal, and it is the same set in the same time frame. And we still have some new traders. They don't understand that the market has to be working normally in order for you to auto trade, and you will have a good days and a bad days. But usually when around the Christmas holidays, summer, when the kids are for the school, this is the simplest way to do it. That does mean welcome to volatility in the market. And it is overwhelming today that what I want to show also about auto. I mean, everything has hit the target, but that's not what we are looking for. There is one thing I want to mention: the 1 minute, and I have a 3 sample here: DAX, ES, CL, even the CL on any minute hit everything, but and even on 2 minutes hit the target. But that's not. The 2 minutes is not even good enough. The 1 minute. 1 minute, folks. Any auto trade you have, before you start wasting your time, you need to test your auto trade on the 1 minute. If it's the 1 minute, and not on just one market, you have to test this 1 minute on at least 3 different markets to bring stability. A lot of traders, they asking the wrong questions, because I can make this one here on a rank bar actually we showed that in the room one time, and we can make a rank bar make it look like it make $1 million. Back testing, forward testing, all this nonsense is just wasting time. Most of the traders has back tested, and they made optimization, and they thought they're going to be millionaires. They put it on a live data, and the system failed. Then you see a lot of results based on a back testing, and that is not enough. And the worst case is the ones are showing PDF and results. Those are the worst kind, because any PDF, any result can be altered with 2 minutes. Any PDF or any document any auto trade, that is not good enough. It takes less than 2 minutes to alter any statement coming from any broker. What you need to do your homework with, 1 minute. And it has to be on 3 different markets at least. If you are on a tight budget, it has to be, let's say, ES, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, or ES 30-year Treasury bond, or ES CL, or I don't know, bonds, I don't know, German bonds, DAX, but it has to be stability. At the same time, what you need to measure is how much, and that is the worst kind, that traders look at the winning yes, it is nice to make $1,000, but it is, can you account for losing $1,000? And this is the $1,000,000 question. Well, we find an alternative for NinjaTrader 8, and this information will be released probably by next week. We're not going to deal with that now. But what I'm saying is, in auto trade, it's not just ignition, lift off, and now we are on the moon. The volume is back, and the market is back on the right track, and you can sense it because all the targets hit. But in order for you, take any auto trade you have and test it on 1 minute, or optimize it on 1 minute. If you cannot optimize that auto trade on 1 minute, you're just wasting time. Folks, again, once it works on 1 minute, it will work on range, it works on ticks, and without a question, it works on anything you like. That's all what we have for today. I can sense it today. The market is back to normal track. There is not even one shot. It did not hit the targets today. And we have some really good news next week. We will be releasing some newer information for you guys. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. And it looks like we are ready for a nice ride next week. God bless you all, and see you in the trading room next week. Bye for now.